Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle with Originally Worn, and tonight you are in my garage, and we are sweaty, and we are working on a piece of furniture, and the kids are here. There's Branson and Parker, and Daddy Chuck is behind the camera. So, you know, you get all of us tonight. Lucky you. We are sweaty and hot, but I got this new tool in. Hold on, buddy, I'm trying to explain something. They have popsicles. Okay, go sit on the chairs. I got this new tool in the mail a while ago. We had a lot of trouble getting our hardware to line up exactly right, and we've messed up a lot of drawers. So we saw this tool, I think somewhere on Facebook, and decided to get it. I'll put the link in the comments where to get it from. So basically what it does is you can adjust all of these parts to it, and there's another one here, and it allows you to kind of measure and sit. So this one right here, it measures to go like half the distance on the drawer that way. And then here we have our center hole if we wanted to, you know, do just a one single hole in the center. And then this is the width of our handle that we have. Let me show you our handle. We have these really beautiful pulls from Elements that we can order in. We have a lot of collections of hardware you can get through us, and they're really wonderful. This is like a cool, unique kind of antiqued brass handle, and since we're going like mint and the sides on this guy are navy blue, he'll be cool. So my hubby had the best idea here, is that before we set this all up, we actually attached this onto here to make sure that that was the exact width that needed to be, and then just made sure that it was center within its dimensions. So if, you know, everything is right, this should attach right on there. So then we can put this back down, and you butt this back up to the top of your drawer right there, and this is measured at half the distance of your drawer, and then these tighten and loosen, and then we're going to kind of go from side to side and try to find the middle. YouTube. Here, Branson loves you. And kind of try to pull it down. Hi, Parker, sweetheart. Mama's gonna use the drill, so hold on. Okay, so we are getting this back to kind of its center spot. And I put a little cloth in there to try to hopefully catch some of this. Sometimes you should put a piece of wood behind it, and that'll help it from not splintering. We just did a drawer a second ago, and it still did it, so we're just gonna go for it here. So I'm gonna try to hold this in place as hard as I can. And this sits into there, and you drill through it. There we go. Apparently are some solid wood drawers. Then we'll jump over here. And then we will take this guy off, and we should have two perfectly centered knobs, and hopefully that did catches a lot of my mess. It splintered a bit back there, could have been better. I'm not good at that part so much, not gonna lie, but I fixed it. And then I can just kind of pull this guy out, knock the rest, see the cute sides on him, blow any extra out, and then I'll get the screws out here. Anyway, this tool, you have no idea how hard we've had, how much trouble we've had with this sometimes, getting the exact thing lined up in the exact spot, and it just makes all the difference, makes things look precise and clean and professional. And I don't think I can it was totally worth the money, that's for sure.
Tanya Osma says hello, and Lori Gowdy says could have been worse.
Hey, could have been worse. I'm pretty sweaty right now. I don't know. Let's see. Am I doing that? I might be tightening that the wrong direction. We did just install a window air conditioner in here because I've been working in here in the nights, but I was afraid it was going to be too loud to do a video with it. So, now that I have that on there, I can tip it and kind of tighten these boys up. Bear with me here. I swear. I am doing it. So it's a pretty cool way. You of course can, you know, manually measure this all yourself. But I am just not that good at measuring apparently. That one was not attached and that was the trouble. Okay, we got one there. We have these snazzy van seats out of Van Gogh. I know everyone's jealous of our kind of ghetto seats here. To be honest, they were here just for storage, and they sit low and perfectly to everything I work on, so I don't want to get rid of them. I think Amanda might even be a little jealous that I have all the cool seats. She just got regular seats in her garage workshop now. Alright, I should have tested this handle out first here, but I'll get there. See, there's always some sort of issue, isn't there? I'm making sure I can actually... Okay, it's going in there, so I just have to get it started. It's like 95 with no breeze here in the garage, and yes, it's maybe that's what you meant. It could get worse. It's gonna get hotter, and it's gonna get sweatier, but I am not ready for the heat. I am a northern girl, and I do not do well with this southern heat. And even though we're not in the deep south here, I still can't hardly take it. So, anyway, there we have him. He's on there, all wonderful. And then he'll go over here on this desk. I normally label him on the bottom. Sure I didn't do on that one. Oh, I need to fix this guy. Anyway, so he'll go and slide into here, and they'll finish him, and all the rest of the drawers will be up, and he'll be a really great desk that'll be available in the shop if you want to purchase him. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will leave a link to the tool in the comments. So have a great night. Thanks, guys.